How's it going, everyone? This is Troy with MAXHUB here at InfoComm 2026. I'm going to go over our new Pivot Plus software today. As you can see with our Pivot Plus software, this is a full CMS system that can control the entirety of our MAXHUB ecosystem. Right here on the device dashboard, you can see everything from your device list to device update notifications, all the way down to usage and application usage. On our list view, you can group your devices by region. It can be anywhere from city to state to dorm room, whatever you prefer. When you select a device, one of the new features that we have with Pivot Plus is multi-screen control, where you can select up to 5 devices and be able to see all of those devices and remote control those devices from anywhere in the world. Additionally, with Pivot Plus, we have a Pro license where we have a one-stop digital signage solution where you can import your resource with any of the files shown here between JPEG, Word doc, anything like Excel sheets, create your content, resolution, Canvas style, create a playlist, and even set scheduling for any of your products. If you'd like to have more information, you can check maxhub.com. Thank you.